What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721 checking back in. Here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan that is slated for release December 10th. But before we get into that review, I want to take a quick look at another upcoming Jordan release. Here we have the Air Jordan Retro 4 White Midnight Navy. This one right here has a release date of October 29th. But if you want to pick these up, you can do so. They are shipping early on FineLine1721.com. I also have a full review live on the channel if you want to check that out. And now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. Getting right into the box, as you can see, we have the standard Air Jordan Retro box for the Retro 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11s. Got the white Air Jordan branding with the red Jumpman logo. Taking a look at the label. Air Jordan 11 Retro, white, varsity red, and black. Size 10.5 we're going to be taking a look at. And now let's go ahead and get this box top off. Comes standard with the black trash bag paper. Got the little white and green stamp right there on the back. Let's go ahead and pull this back and let's get into these shoes. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Air Jordan Retro 11 Cherry. Getting right into it, these do not come with the cardboard shoe tree. They come with the tissue paper, as you can see here. Now, getting right into the top-down view of the shoe, we have the all-red sock liner, red lining behind the tongue, all-red insole with the white Jumpman logo sitting on the top. And behind the tongue, we have a all-white tab, black letters, red Jumpman logo. Got the standard thick rope laces that normally comes with the Retro 11s. Got the all-white tab right here in the third spacing, black letters, red Jumpman logo, and we also have a little peak right here on top of the patent leather. Going around to the lateral side of the shoe, we got the all white mesh, all white lace holders, thick high cut patent leather, one more peak right here on the back, all white midsole sitting on top of kind of like a icy blue outsole. Speaking of the outsole, red traction pods on the heel and the toe, red and black carbon fiber, and a clear translucent Jumpman logo sitting on the bottom. Going to the back of the shoe, varsity red Jumpman logo sitting on top of the all-white leather ankle collar. Going to the heels of the shoe, got the standard 2-3 stamp right there on the back. Now going around to the medial side, same exact weight as the lateral, nothing different there. So that about wraps it up for this quick look at the Air Jordan Retro 11 Cherry. If you're interested in this pair and you want to pick them up, they are shipping out early on FineLine1721.com. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Both handles are the same, FineLine1721. And into the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.